So I got my new blades from Amazon. This ones come together. Check it out. See what we got here. See. Barely open it. As you see, the bag came with this belt, like a little belt. I mean, you can just put it on your own belt. They're heavy. They're pretty heavy. They're pretty nice. Too. They're pretty nice. Chop up wood and everything. It's pretty handy. Look at that. From here to all the way to my forearm. Same as this. Here, all the way to my forearm. Pretty big knife. All the way through. Full tang. Nice. And I also got this from Amazon, which is to put your arrows. Comes with this, so you can hold it. Long live America.